We're A2B Auto Centre. We serve the community of Rainham. We've been here, it'll be 5 years in July. We've got auto electrician, we have welding, we have MOT testing, we do general repairs, we do engine rebuilds if we need to for our regular customers. Everything that you'd expect a good high street garage to offer, as well as obviously we do carbon cleaning and servicing as well. We're getting a high level of diesels coming in with high carbon content built up in the engines and the DPFs. A lot of DPF regenerations that we were doing are very time consuming. Sometimes you have to remove them and clean them. So we're looking at alternatives just to save the customer some money. FlexFuel, been very reliable, it's very good, a very, very good quality machine. We just had our PAT testing for our electrical, and when they tested the machine, they said that's very, very high quality. Once someone's had the carbon clean, they've actually come back and told others that have come and actually had it done as well. So it's preventative maintenance. So it doesn't fix underlying issues, but what it does do is regenerate the engine, deals with the high carbon content, and helps eliminate it so it doesn't become an issue in the future. So here's one of our high carbon machines. This one actually has got 2 motors in it. So it actually produces double the gas. So, and typically when a customer comes in, here we've got a BMW that we'll be doing. When it comes in, you just check for the machine that is plugged in. There's a level meter here on the side that tells you that there's enough water in there. You set your time, and once that's been set up, you plug a diagnostic tool in, and we've got an Autologic machine here. We just run a basic check to make sure that there's no underlying issues. We don't really want to start a carbon clean on a vehicle that's got blocked DPF or blocked EGR. We want to rectify those before we actually start. If this all checks out good, we go back to the machine. You just have to make sure that the car is actually running. You don't want to put one of these into a car that's not running because it is hydrogen. Once it's running, you just find a location to put it in. Normally the air filter, after the air filter, you've got your air intake. It's one little nozzle. It goes straight in to the air intake. Once that's in, the car's already started, you let the process go. It's increments of 30 minutes. You can have 30 minutes, an hour and a half, or 2 hours maximum. And once the process finishes, it double beeps and turns off. And a lot of our customers do have diesels and they have underlying issues. And once we've done a few, it's just spread like wildfire. A lot of people see the value in it, and they actually see it in the returns in, you know, the fuel economy. You know, it's advertised as about a 15% saving in fuel economy. They see the reduction in carbon build-up on the way the car actually drives. Sometimes when there's a natural friction that holds the car back, some customers said that friction's actually gone. So it's a very, very good product.